Assalamualaikum class. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start the new session of our mathematics for class 5th. The first chapter of our book is number up to 10 million. So class, in this lecture, the contents are counting to 10 million, prime numbers, highest common factor, least common multiple means LCM, and the reinforcement of chapter number 1. And I am also giving you some links. Okay class, this lecture is the reinforcement or review of chapter number 1, in which you have to practice some questions from your workbook which help you to revise this chapter. So the first topic is counting to 10 million. As we know that there are two number systems, the international number system and the local number system. We are Pakistanis, that's why we have to consider international number system, and the second one is Pakistani number system. Number system help us to count a large digit number. We can easily give the value of each number. In the international number system, we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and millions and so on. But in our class, we have to cover till million in the international system. And if we compare these numbers into Pakistani number system, so we have ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Understand? So the number system of the Pakistani and the international are somehow differ with each other. The next topic is about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those that is divisible only by itself and 1. It means that those number which comes only its own table are called prime numbers, or we can say that which are not divisible by any other number instead of 1 and itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. The topic we are considering now is the highest common factor, which we also called HCF. So what's mean by HCF is highest common factor, and the definition of the highest common factor is the multiplication of common prime factor of both numbers are called highest common factor. It means that if we are taking the HCF of two numbers, so we have to take the common factor of the both number. Like if we are taking the HCF of 80 and 120, we have to take the LCM of each number separately, and then we compare all the factors of the both number, and the common factor which are coming is called HCF. Now look at the picture which is in the side of the slide. There is 80 and 120. The factor of 80 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, means 4 times 2 and 1 time 5. And the factor of 120 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, means 3 times 2, 1 time 3 and 1 times 5. If we have to take out the common of both of these numbers, so in the next down picture in an oval, we have 3 times 2 and 1 times 5 are common in the both number. We have to multiply these common numbers or these common factors, and the answer comes, it's called HCF. Hope you understand it. Now we are moving toward the next topic, that is least common multiple, LCM. The definition of the LCM is multiplication between common prime factor and remaining factor called least common multiple, that is LCM. So if we are defining the LCM, what is LCM? By the comparison method which is given in the pictures. There are two methods to calculate the LCM. One is by prime factorization and the second is division method. Mostly we have to follow the method of division for the LCM. So look at the picture. There are three pictures in the slide. One picture is about the multiples of 5 and multiples of 6. The second picture is about the prime factorization. We have to take the LCM of 24 and 36 by the prime factorization, which is not so common. So we have to shift from the prime factorization method to the division method. In the division method, we have to draw a line and write 24 and 36 in the LCM column, and we have to divide it by 2 and then again 2 and then again by 3 and take the answer. You haven't any worry about it, because in the next coming slides or next coming topics we have to discuss the LCM thoroughly and give the practice of these questions, inshallah. So if we are seeing about that LCM repeated division method, so we are taking the LCM of 24 and 36. So in the HCF we have to take out the commons of the number, but in the LCM we have to multiply all the common prime factor and also the remaining prime factor. So we have to we are getting the LCM. So the LCM of 24 and 36 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So the answer is 72. Hopefully you understand it. If you are not understanding it, I will give you some links, and also in the next few presentations we are giving the brief description about this topic. So class, after the review or the reinforcement or the recap of the complete chapter number 1, the topics are prime numbers, prime factorization, LCM, HCF, international number system, Pakistani number system. Now you have to practice the work which is in your workbook 5A. Review 1, page number 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. You have to solve all these questions in your workbook. Question number 1 is write in numericals. Means that there is a writing in words. You have to write it in form of number. This question is on page number 12. You have to do all the parts from part A to part F. In question number 2, write in words from the international and Pakistani number system. Means you have to write these numbers in form of words in international as well as Pakistani number system. There are difference between million and lakh in between international and Pakistani number system. You have to write it in both form. This question is present on your workbook 5A, page number 12 and 13. All parts, part A till D. Question number 3, fill in the missing numbers. That is present on your workbook 5A, page number 13. You have to do all the parts from part A to part F. In question number 4, find the prime factorization, page number 14. You have to do all the parts, that is part A and B. In this question, there are two methods of prime factorization. One is by the LCM and one is by the tree method. In question number 4, you have to apply the tree method. Hope you understand. So class, question number 5 is find the prime factorization. That is on your workbook 5A, page number 15. All parts, part A and part B. In this prime factorization, we have to apply method number 2, that is the method of the LCM. In question number 6, we have to find out the HCF, highest common factor of 420, 980 and 1260. For the HCF, I am giving you a key point that you have to take the LCM separately. Means you have to take the prime factorization separately and then find out the common from it. Okay class? Now in question number 7, you have to find out the LCM of 50, 140 and 385. In LCM, I am giving you a hint that you have to take the LCM of all these three numbers combinedly in one LCM. Okay, then you have to take the answer easily. Hope you understand it and hope you solve it in your workbook 5A from page number 12 to page number 16. Thank you. So class, it's all about the introduction of chapter number 1. These are some links related to the topics. If you have any query or problem, I will give you the separate slides or separate presentation for each topic, inshallah, later on. But till, you have to visit or watch these videos of YouTube related to the topics, and you have to clarify and your concepts, and it may help you in the future also. Thank you so much. We will meet inshallah again with the description of all these 4 topics of chapter number 1. Thank you.